Hello, children. Welcome back. New day, new beginning. So, let us begin our day with the thought for the day. Thought for the day is you must be the change you wish to see in the world. Golden words by the great man Mahatma Gandhi ji. I hope all are ready with textbooks, pencil. So, please turn to page number 1414. Now, you must be wondering that this chapter we did not take while I was teaching you Unit 1. It's a wonderful activity chapter and you would really love to guess the answers. Consider it as an activity or things that you can imagine. I hope all are ready with the textbook. You can see the picture now. The following picture show a day in Isha's life. Isha is a girl, a child, must be of your age, and all the pictures show activity in Isha's life for the day from the beginning to the end. Look at the pictures carefully. Using your imagination, guess what Isha must have said or will say on each occasion. Then write the complete conversations in your notebook. So, what we can do? We can discuss, and I have given you my answers. That means what I think should be written, but when you will write your answers, you can use your imagination. That's why this chapter we are taking it in this unit, and it's an activity chapter. It's not for exam, but it's a fun chapter that you will love to do it. So I hope all are ready. Page number 14. Let's see. The day starts in the morning, 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Hurry up or you will be late. The mother is a bit annoyed because Isha is still feeling sleepy or she's not getting ready. The glass of milk, you can see it's just kept on the table and she's yet to finish the drink of glass of milk. Hurry up or you will be late. What can Isha say? She can say, I'm not feeling well. I don't wish to go to school today. I am still feeling sleepy. Anything, whatever you feel, you should write or imagine yourself in Isha's place and then guess your answer. Now Isha is in the school and you can see what has happened to her notebooks. Her notebook or the cover has been torn and she's not able to guess. Either she has done it or somebody has played a mischief. Then her friend advises her, I think you should tell the teacher about it. You can look at the expressions at Isha's face. What should I do? Who did it? I do not know. Somebody has torn the cover page. Can be Isha's answer. At 10 o'clock, teacher is asking something and Nikhil might have answered, but the answer is not correct. It is incorrect. That's not the right answer, Nikhil. Isha is very eager to reply. Now, what can she say? Either she can say, Madam, may I answer? Or she can say, Madam, I know the correct answer. Or she can say, Madam, it's my turn to answer. So, it's up to you what you wish to write. Then, the events that are happening in the at home. Grandmother and Isha, they're watching watching television. Grandmother is interested in watching another serial, but Isha has kept the remote with her. Why do you like the program so much? The program which Isha is watching is not the favorite program of grandmother. So grandmother doesn't understand why Isha likes to watch that program. So what do you guess? Maybe imagine Isha is watching favorite cartoon like Shin Chan and the elders. They don't like the character, isn't it? They say Shin Chan is so irritating. We don't like Shin Chan. Why do you keep on watching such cartoons? Any answer you can write. So Isha can say, I like Chota Bheem. I like Shin Chan. That is my favorite cartoon. It is funny. But looking at the conversation, Isha wants to continue watching her favorite program, and grandmother is not at all happy with that. Then the next picture at the dinner table. The dinner is served, and few things Isha is not ready to eat. Her father is advising her the right advice as the parents gave us. You must eat everything that's on your plate. This incident occurs every day in our place, isn't it? Your parents, your grandmother, grandparents, they always give the right advice that whatever is on the plate, you should eat that, isn't it? But then we have so many do's and don'ts in our list. So many vegetables we don't like. आम्हाला हे नको, मला ते आवडतं. You keep on saying that की मला नाही आवडत, मी नाही खाणार. But then what Isha must be saying? This is not my favorite vegetable. I don't like this vegetable. That is up to you which answer you think is correct. This is now bedtime. We all have our favorite bedtime stories. Though our mother keeps on telling those stories again and again, but still we are so happy to listen to the story again and again. And every day you must be asking your mother or grandmother, आई गोष्ट सांग ना, ती रोजचीच. And the mother is saying to Isha, but you have heard that story before, Isha. So what can be Isha's answer? That is my favorite story. I like to sleep. I sleep very well after listening to that story. Anything. So, my answers I have given you in the next slide. You can write your own answers, and you can write these answers. Don't write in notebook. Please turn to page number 14. Already you have turned, I suppose. You can write your answers in the space provided over here. You can see those lines, and you can happily write your answers here. So that is for homework. My answers I have given you. These are all guesses. The first incident, I am still feeling sleepy. Then in the school, oh no, I do not know how it happened. Third incident, madam, may I answer? Then evening, because it is so funny, but papa, I don't like paratha. And the last one, ma, it is my favorite story. I want to listen it again and again. These are all guesses. These are all open-ended questions, you can say. You can always write your answers. That's why this chapter we are doing it in this unit, so that you will be able to guess and write your own answers now. So what is homework? Try to understand and write your answers. Now in the second part of the video, we will be going back again to unit number 2. Chen Yaozi, story of Chen Yaozi, I'll definitely tell you some other day. Page number 21, or rather page number 20, time for everything. We have read and recited the poem, and we have done everything related to the poem. Page number 21, be a craftsman, marbling, how to make a marble paper, wonderful activity. If someday you have some time, if you get some free time, spare time, you can try this activity at home, but under the supervision of your mother. If she permits, then only try to perform this activity. And then the second video we will be starting with chapter number 11. So please be ready with page number 23.